Low-profile keyboards have been making a scene in the keyboard industry, blending sleek design with mechanical performance, and the Melgeek O2 is no exception. This keyboard incorporates premium materials with Mac-native features and a typing experience that is smooth, fast, and satisfying. In this video, we're going to be diving into the O2, and I'll give you my full review of everything you need to know about this keyboard. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. We focus on showcasing innovative tech that are budget friendly while delivering that premium experience without breaking the bank. Stick around and subscribe to our channel to discover some cool and affordable gear with us. Alright, to begin, how about we start things off with an unboxing to see what we're working with. Inside, you'll find a Melgeek O2 keyboard itself, a USB-C cable for wired connections, a 2.4 GHz dongle, a keycap puller with extra keycaps and Windows OS replacements, and a manual for all the function shortcuts. I'm actually impressed with the packaging of this product because you can tell that they put a lot of care into it. Moving all that aside, let's get on to the main focus, the O2 keyboard. The keyboard is constructed with a blend of materials, an aluminum alloy top frame for a premium texture, a transparent PC cover, and a vibrant ABS base. With all this combined, it provides an aesthetic appearance while maintaining all its features for productivity. Seeing as it's a 75% keyboard, the layout is compact with 83 keys, so you get to keep the essential F keys and the arrow keys without wasting space. There's a dual-side RGB ambient lighting setup that adds a bright, vibrant atmosphere without feeling overwhelming. With the magnetic detachable feet, this allows you to adjust the typing angle for a better user experience. And most importantly, it's a very lightweight keyboard coming in at only 650 grams. Since it's a slim build, this makes it easy to carry between home, work, or school. Next, we have product features and functionalities. The O2 keyboard has tri-mode connectivity utilizing Bluetooth, 2.4G wireless, and wired connection with a USB-C cable. The Bluetooth lets you sync up to 8 devices at once, which is perfect for multitasking across different operating systems such as Mac, Windows, or Linux. It comes equipped with custom switches called Kailh sunlight switches. This is a low-profile switch that is smooth, soft, and responsive. When paired with the PBT keycaps, you can expect long-lasting durability. Although, if you prefer using your own low-profile switches, then take advantage of the Hotswappable PCB. This would allow you to freely change between your own choices of switches without the needing to solder. Just keep in mind though that it has to be low-profile switches for it to work. As for the components, it's built using a gasket mount with multiple dampening layers that gives you that soft, muted typing sound. If you are using the wireless features, then you'll be surprised by the 2500 mAh battery. Thanks to Melgeek's self-developed low power mode, this keyboard can last up to 6 months on a single charge, assuming that you use it 8 hours a day. Performance is a big one, and the 1000 Hz polling rate on either wired or wireless ensures ultra-fast responsiveness. Users that are gamers or fast typers will appreciate this. Oh, I rolled that. Yeah, I played this game before. Can I join you? Oh, good timing, because I just finished my explosion. Since it's native macOS compatible, the magnetic feet are designed to fit MacBook models perfectly, plus F-key layouts and system switching with a simple Function plus S shortcut. Those that want full customization, you can program the keyboard to your preference by using Melgeek's self-developed Hive software for key remapping, macros, and lighting control. As for the typing experience, I'm not very comfortable when it comes to low-profile keyboards, but the switches and sounds from typing had a soothing feeling that made it easy to type with. After trying out the keyboard firsthand, I'm impressed with the overall performance and features of the O2. Typing and productivity made this keyboard fun to use, and seeing as it's easy to take on the go, it's very likely that this would be my go-to keyboard to bring along. So the question is the Melgeek O2 worth the hype? If you want a premium low-profile keyboard that's beautifully designed, deeply compatible with Mac and Windows, and packed with cutting-edge features that's built to last, then yeah, it's a great pickup. It's not just a pretty keyboard, I consider it to be a productivity powerhouse. At the time of this video, the keyboard is going for 129 USD. If you're interested in adding the Melgeek O2 to your setup, then use my link in the description to get $10 off by using the code O2 at checkout. But with that said, that will conclude my review on Melgeek's O2 keyboard. Thanks as always for tuning in, and let me know down below, is anyone else using a low profile keyboard, and if so, which one? Don't forget to like this video and subbing to the channel because your support is greatly appreciated and helps out a lot. Until next time, take care.